How to change Temu Checkout Minimum. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. You're gonna land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of You. Once you're in the You page, now here you're gonna find different options. At the top right corner, you're gonna find two icons. Click on the support icon. Once you're in the support page here, you're gonna find different topics. If you're having any issues related to these topics, just click on it and go through it. Likewise, to change Temu Checkout Minimum, click on the option of Contact Us. Now here you're gonna see the message box. Over here you have to type in, please change my Temu Minimum Checkout. After you type in, send it. With that, Temu customer service will reply to your message. Now you can have detailed conversation with the Temu, and then you can request them to change your minimum checkout or remove it. And with that, you will be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. So this way you can easily change Temu Checkout Minimum. So you can see that I have got the reply. You are free to shop for products you love without any shopping amount restrictions. So Temu has removed the minimum checkout. So that's a wrap for this video. You can also apply the same process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.